You can square any two-digit number by heart. Let's find out how. We'll start by observing the square of numbers ending in 5. Do you spot any pattern? Two things stand out. First, they all end in 25. And this is true for the square of any number ending in 5. Second, the number preceding 25 is the product of the first digit of the original number and that number increased by 1. What do we mean by that? Let's look at 25 squared, which equals 625. 6 is simply the product of 2 and 3, which is 2 increased by 1. Another example. 65 squared equals 4225. 42 is the product of 6 and 7, which again is 6 increased by 1. Knowing these two patterns will allow you to find the square of any two-digit number ending in 5 very fast. Isn't that something? Now, what about other numbers? To find the square of a general two-digit number, say 56, we'll start by putting the square of the first digit in the first position. Next, we'll put twice the product of 5 and 6 in the next position. Lastly, we'll put the square of the last digit, in this case 6 squared, in the last position. 5 squared equals 25. 2 times the product of 5 and 6 equals 60. Since 60 is a two-digit number, we'll add 6 to the preceding position. 6 squared equals 36. Since 36 is also a two-digit number, we'll add 3 to the preceding position. Putting it all together, we get 3136, and that is the answer. If you find adding 3 numbers by heart challenging, do it in steps. First, adding 25 and 60 in the appropriate positions will give you 310. Adding 36 in the right positions will give you 3136. We are on a roll here. How about another example? To find the square of 89, we first put 8 squared in the first position. Next, we put 2 times the product of 8 and 9 in the next position. Last, we put 9 squared in the last position. 8 squared equals 64. 2 times the product of 8 and 9 equals 144. Since 144 is a three-digit number, we add the first 2 digits to the preceding 2 positions. 9 squared equals 81. Since 81 is also a two-digit number, we add 8 to the preceding position. Adding all of them together, we get 7921, and that is the square of 89. With plenty of practice, you can achieve remarkable efficiency and fill your heart with joy and satisfaction. If you enjoyed the content, please like, subscribe, and comment. Now go enjoy life.